People from all over the world come here for furniture, and today I'll show you why. 10,000 square meters of furniture on par with European brands. We've been working with this factory for years, and honestly, they love us here. Our orders are always a priority and we get special terms. And recently, our partner opened this amazing showroom. We're always happy to see our partners grow, so let's check out the whole place. I'll show you the furniture, give you the prices, and at the end, I'll take you where clients aren't usually allowed. Make sure to watch until the Fendi zone. That's where my personal favorite is, and there, I'll explain why two identical models are actually completely different. Alright, let's start with a bang. An apropos style sofa by Roche Bobois. Notice how it's modular, so you can fit these pieces to your room. And look at this elegant casualness. Everything looks so casually tossed, yet it's incredibly beautiful. I get this strong feeling that you're not supposed to sit on it all proper-like. You're supposed to sit however you want. See, everything instantly feels different. And another thought came to mind. This sofa doesn't just occupy space, it commands it. And it's made by factories that work for European brands. And this is our dining area. And of course, the star of the show here is the travertine table. It looks absolutely beautiful. And just look at the stone with its characteristic pores, veins, its pattern and texture. It looks really cool and really classy. And it's amazing that no two tabletops in nature are ever the same. Nature paints each one anew. It looks insanely beautiful. Yeah, guys, I can't take my eyes off this tabletop. Travertine has been in style for a long time, and I think it's here to stay. And even 100 years from now, it'll still be a timeless material that really makes this table look expensive. And this shot is for all the skeptics. Take a look. A real Italian sofa. You can come to the showroom and compare Chinese quality with a European brand. You can sit on it, feel it, and see what it's like. The dining room as a whole. The dining area plus the sideboard. Let's go check out the sideboard, see what it looks like, what it's all about. Very nice to the touch, looks cool and unusual. By the way, many people forget that dishes and textiles need a home too. They also need to live somewhere. Let's open it. Looks quite unusual. Personally, I'm used to storing dishes and textiles somewhere up high, so it's convenient. But overall, it looks pretty interesting. If you want to surprise or impress someone, here you go. Guys, while we're walking, a quick tip. It's really easy to get lost here. Within 5 minutes, I wanted to take home half the showroom. So please prepare for your furniture tour. Send us your design project in advance and we'll plan the route so not a single minute is wasted. Don't have a project? Well, our designer will put your vision together. Plus, we have 3D visualization. You'll see your interior before ordering, and for just $7 per square meter. And here's another seating area with a set of coffee tables. Now, as always, we'll sit down and try it out. Oh, this is one of those times when my body said yes before I did. No, seriously, I really like it. I can totally picture myself watching a movie here. It's so nice, soft, cozy, and comfortable. I like it. This gets my seal of approval. And the cool thing about these tables is that they're different heights. You can tuck them away, set them up, easily clean your apartment and change up the layout. I think it's a great feature. A Minotti style area. You know, Minotti is like a well-tailored black suit. You just can't go wrong. A very simple style, elegant, nothing extra. It's so nice to sit in, like you're on a cloud and you can just find your zen. This kind of furniture doesn't scream at all. It just quietly signals that the owner has taste. And here's the latest, the Minotti aesthetic, the 25 collection. And you can see with the naked eye where fashion is heading. Notice the very calm tones, such noble textures, quiet luxury in its purest form. I like it. Very nice, comfortable, and you instantly feel a sense of calm. It makes you want to relax, catch your breath, and recharge. While many are furnishing with last season style, you can grab what will be relevant for years to come. Well, I think it's nice to be a step ahead. Let's wrap up with the bedroom in the same aesthetic. Here we have a bed, a vanity table. Notice how everything is done in a single style. These soft shapes, warm tones. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. I'm even going to sit down. You know, as they say, it's painfully beautiful. Let's take a quick break. I'll explain how this works. If you're remodeling and see designer furniture like this, you don't have to overpay at a European showroom. At GLOBUS, we source the entire interior, furniture, lighting, plumbing, decor, directly from factories in Foshan. And we don't just find the cheapest option. Our team of inspectors checks every single item before shipment. We catch factory defects, we manage the project all the way to your city, defect-free and with no custom surprises. We ship to Russia, Kazakhstan, and over 50 other countries. We work with budgets starting at $30,000. The link is in the description, along with a personal account to track the stages. Now, let's get back to the furniture. And here it is, the Fendi zone I promised you at the very beginning. Last year in China there was this crazy boom, so now there's a Fendi zone in absolutely every showroom. Guys, let me try to get one very important point across. The exact same model can be made, well, in completely different ways. Some people just chase the look, but we look at the execution, we look at the materials, because in 10 years it should still look just as beautiful. And my personal favorite is the Fendi Welcome Style sofa. The name speaks for itself, by the way. The sofa just beckons you. Sit down, relax. It has such a deep seat, rounded, peaceful shapes, and very warm, soft tones. I definitely like it, and I have a feeling that something is happening between us right now. I don't know what, but it feels like love. And the heart of it all is, of course, the materials. Here, you can come in person, touch them, feel them. It's actually highly recommended. You can take a look, choose, and see how it feels to the touch. And of course, the material determines whether it'll last 5 years or 15, and whether it'll look expensive or cheap. It all depends on the material. You can also come on our tour, take a look and feel them. If you're far away and can't make it, we'll send samples to your home. No buying blind. Guys, as promised, we are in the very heart of it. We are at the production facility. You can see that it's bright and clean here. Many of you probably think that a factory is all about smog, smoke, chimneys, and dirt everywhere. Guys, that's absolutely not the case. I mean, look, does this look like that? No, this is real quality. It's clean here. Quality doesn't start in the showroom. Quality starts right here in production. And that was just a fraction of 10,000 square meters. So how can GLOBUS help you? Well, we find the factory, verify the quality with our own inspectors, assemble the entire project, and deliver it turnkey right to your city. Planning an interior? Drop us a line. The link is in the description. We'll find something to fit your budget. And let us know what caught your eye the most. Tell us in the comments, and be honest, which piece would you start your home with? Give us a like, subscribe. There's more exciting stuff to come.